Hey guys, I've been refraining on making any other actual bird videos, like any just regular old commentary gameplay videos, because I've been trying to get this skin, Donk, by getting all the tapes, but I was afraid of showing them because I might get banned. So I decided to refrain from making videos until now. I will kill you, Strange Key 720, if you keep making those ungodly noises. The opposite of shut up! Or else I'm going to sing an entire musical about how much I hate your guts and your laugh is stupid. And I'm going to name it Grudges, the musical. Except it will have nothing to do with that. Nice. Now let's see if we can get to 69 health. That'd be pog. Well, you might as well, while they're down, you might as well kick them. You know what? I never understand why when people are getting senselessly beaten up, people just whip out their phones instead of rushing in and getting a few kicks in for themselves. Like, you might as well seize the opportunity. Water's warm, so you might as well swim. Except warm water sucks. I like my water cold. I'm not talking about drinking water, by the way. I'm being literally serious right now. It's so refreshing. It's really gonna wake you up. It's really gonna wake you up. It's really gonna make you die. Say goodbye. POV, Donk escaped from the pit of spheres and now he's trying to shoot Santa, the original. 360 mode. What is going on in the ceiling? Why are we... Dude, I think I'm lagging so bad that things are actually getting... Oh, well. Well, I might as well put away this gun. Unfortunately, I don't use them. I mean, you can shoot it if you want, but now we gotta have a good... I swear on God. Come here, boy. Come here. No, come here, boy. Come here. Oh no, anyways. Oh no, not the best thing I've ever done in that moment. That's not 69. Come here. No. Leave Numus over here. I've got a funny little trick that's funny. Bye, Numus. Don't be AFK. Don't be AFK in the middle of a fight. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have to redirect Santa That's gonna start annoying me as much as people calling them WannaChirp.box Malbird and Marauder Manual Sam. Except not as much. Oh, come here, boy. I may have needed to sacrifice a little bit of my HP to do that, but I don't care. Come here, buddy. Please, I'm trying to help you. Sandy Claus! Come here, Sandy Bot. Yeah, I'm trying to help him out. I'm trying to redirect Santa away, but the Santa seems to put tactical present seems to want to run. wanted to some more. No, I won't let you die. That's it, I'm coming in. No, I won't let you kill my friend without a fight. I'm almost dead. Don't worry, it's fine, man. I'm trying to save you right now, dude. Redirect Santa away. Hold on, he's targeting me, I'm gonna run away. No! No! Oh no! Anyway! Come here, Santa Claus. Come here. Get over here. Get over here, you freaking present dispenser. Get over here, man. Come here, man. I'm going to avenge you by killing him in the worst way possible. The unintended way. Get over here, boy. You know you want that. You beat that big boss man. You won, now you get these presents. Yeah, you won. You're the best player in BIRD.png. The winners are Donk, Default, and Badjubi, and also the royal leg of the bearers. The 4 winners of this trial. We gonna have to get these presents before the time runs out. The time ran out. But hey, look, I got a bunch of things. Oh, I still need to buy this guy. I thought it was physically not going to let me buy him. I was about to be like, oh no. Anyway. Okay. Yeah. Yep. That's never going to happen. Yeah, I basically, have, oh my god. If it's boss round, I'm not gonna shoot. Don't worry, man. Well, oh no! Anyways. No, the cheat has died. Oh, this is not Poggers at all. The boss round task is to defeat the boss and help me. Help him. By the way, I thought the guy was wearing a Dominus, but then I realized it was just a bunch of UGC items combined, and I was about to be like, wow, he came back! Come on, guys, let's play working environment. There's a thing here we need to collect. Is my game seriously so laggy it only thinks there are 2 votes? Or is there really just 2 votes? There was really just 3 votes. Wow, that's stupid. Now this looks like a good job for me. If you kill, I swear to God, I'll break your funny little ankle. That's it, I'm breaking a funny little ankle. I'm not gonna break one of your funny little ankles. I'm going to break all. Both of those ankles will be sacrificed. Classic, oh no. I mean, I guess this guy clearly does not want babby donk. Oh my god. You trying to stay on my head, you little bear. Intervention. Oh no! Anyway, I hate working environment. What do you mean? Why? I think it's pretty obvious why. Because the bullcrap traps, the bullcrap obstacles, and I don't think I need to keep explaining. It's me, Malbear. I signed up for the circus, Cheetah Man. Aren't you proud of me? I turned into a dog, Cheetah Man. I'm Donk. I'm Mal Donk. I never needed to invent the word Mal Donk, but now that I've invented it, I now question what I will do. This round's task to defeat the boss will affect me. Wanna trip that box? I'm not gonna shoot. Well, oh no! I'm not gonna add anyways. I think I've overused that mean. But shoot, he's not gonna shoot. Oh, Mio Honda, don't do it. Actually, yes, do it. No, why, no, get over. No, go back into the avalanche. Dang it. I didn't get to eliminate my worst enemy on camera. I'm disappointed now. Shut up. I will snap your little neck. And it looks really easy to snap because you're an anime character and you have a very skinny neck. I could snap that thing like a twig, and I will, and I'm going to. Don't even come at me with that friendship bullcrap. You and I both know that's not gonna stop me from stabbing you somewhere. I'm gonna stab you in the back of the neck. I hope that I'm gonna twist the blade. I'm not only gonna twist the blade, I'm going to shove a pill down your throat and make your death the most unpleasant thing possible while recording it. And then I'm going to publish it to YouTube. And I'm going to publish it to YouTube and convince everybody it was photoshopped. Because, come on, no one's gonna believe it anyway. So, you know, anyway. Nope, kill him. Yep, nope. Stop shooting at him. Wow, we all share the same vision. Protect me, I will not glitch the boss. Well, maybe I want to glitch the blaster. Dang dog it. Maybe, whoa, the freak dude. Dang it. I shouldn't have killed that sledder. I needed to kill Mio Honda. That's not the mission. The mission is to kill her. That's the mission. That's the mission. You people don't seem to understand my hatred, but it's growing every single day, and you won't know you won't realize I'll act upon it until a few more episodes. Because I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna invent my own Roblox game. It's going to be dedicated to hanging somebody of which they will not be named, because I think it's pretty obvious what I'm directing to. Oh no! Anyway, I'm such a way with words. Oh my god! Giant death laser beam, I don't wanna die. Oh no! Anyway, really? Yeah, only wannabe, not this boy. Okay? No! Yeah. Only wannabe, not this boy. Okay? No! Yes. Yeah, we don't need to succeed as long as we get to see this guy fall and by the way things are going, I'm not gonna shoot you. You know what? Yeah. You sink the ship. Nope, you're sinking the ship. I'm not doing anything. I know what they say, you gotta be greater than the haters, but this guy isn't a hater, so I'm not being greater. I come up with the strangest bars. I'm saying that, I mean rhymes. I don't. Why would you ever? Wow, you let him die. That's it. Mission failed, everybody. I'm gonna go retreat to the pit of spheres if you don't mind. I'll be seeing y'all later. I'm gonna go boss around some poor cube man. I'm not doing it. You're not gonna do anything. I'm not doing anything. Hands off the controller. I mean, I know what they're saying, but you're literally just doing the same thing this guy's doing. You're not helping at all. Well, you fight fire with fire, and you just get more fire, and that's fine with me, because I'm just gonna get a really big extinguisher. Nope, we're not protecting you. The mission is not that. The mission is to not help you at all. No, hey, stop. Why would you ever do that? Look at that. You risked your life to get that. How do you feel, Willow? How do you feel? You risked your life to do that? How do you feel? Anywho, I don't care about you, so, there you go. My bad, I didn't mean to do that. My bad, I didn't plan on leading 2 Christmas trees directly at you while looking behind me. I didn't mean to. Yeah, well, unfortunately, I don't care. So I'm gonna let us lose. I'm going to let us lose just to peeve you off. Because this is just what happens when one member of the team doesn't want to do crap. They don't get crap. Okay. Quickly, make your way to Rillo. Get that beam right in his stupid face. I don't like that guy. Rillo. Yeah. Not that he was a useful member of the team anyway. Well, time to light to match. I can smell smoke. I'm ready for it. So I'm going to shove this lighted match up my nose and prepare for the pain that will ensue. Me and the boys when we add unnecessary comments to something that didn't need to happen. No, I'm gonna let you die. I don't care. No, I'm not doing anything. I'm going to let our teammates who are risking their life out in the field to do everything, because you can't seem to understand that you're not a member of the team. You're not doing anything to help. That bye. There you go. Oh, I'm about to. Yeah, I was already figuring on doing that. It's common. It's not. Only 170 people have it. I'm pretty sure it's safe to say it's kind of rare. Not as rare as Babberdonk, I'm gonna say, with a staggering 108 people now, including me. I'm the 108th person. Hello. I'm pretty sure I think it is safe to say that he's rarer than most of these guys. Actually, I'm gonna go and look on Roblox.com. What badge is truly the rarest? Okay. Uh,
Hello, yesterday here. Come closer.
81.
Chavez. Come here and get me Bravo.
So the rarest badge in this game is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. With a staggering 81 people that have the badge. I was tempted to say 81,000, but that would be a lie.
Hello, yesterday here. Come closer.
The away keyboard. We shall dance on lenses. We shall. Allow me to demonstrate my moves.
Your device has been viruses. I can't help you.
Well, you weren't worth protecting.
I can't help you.
There's no need if you weren't gonna help.
Come here and get me Bravo.
Meme! No! Ain't gonna happen.
Your feet is with a bird.
Scanning.
Usually you are my type.
Wowie, brothers and sisters and brothers.
Come here and get me Bravo.
Approved! Approved. What does that mean? Parasite. What do you mean by that, buddy? Oh yeah, in second place for the rarest badge is the Pit of Trials. It's the Pit of Trials. It is really rare. And third rarest, I believe, is Babberdonk, and slash wiki slash Babberdonk doesn't count because it is currently unobtainable. I think. No. I was right. It's currently unobtainable, so you can't get it. The Survivor. What do you mean the Survivor? Thief! What do you mean? Who is thieving? Piracy is no party. Report the stolen software immediately, or I'll shoot you. And trust me, you don't want to get shot.
Your device has been viruses. I can't help you.
Your feet is with a bird. Usually you are recaps. Your feet is with a bird. Usually you are recaps.
We belong to Bear, not here. Well, that's too bad.
Your feet is with a bird.
Well, oh no. Anyway, oof. I wish Bear 2 would do a crossover event with BIRD.png and Dog Alpha. Like, that'd be just the coolest thing. I mean, I don't think Dog Alpha is getting updated anymore, but it'd still be cool to include it, because I think it was the first ever Bear Alpha inspired game. The first ever, and then third place, and then the second ever was BIRD.png, so yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. And I think the skins they should choose for that crossover event is BIRD. BIRD and Numus and Dog and Dog and I don't know, like one of the skins for Dog. I don't know. I think like there was a rubber dog. Maybe that. I don't know. Any skin is fine with me. Scream in terror. Ding dong, ding dong. Why'd it have to be man and machine? Oh crap. Thank you, Lord. Not that a survivor. As BIRD. For a second, I thought it said double down, the double trouble. It's called double trouble. I'm so used to calling it double down. Thank you, Bear/Bear Alpha. I'd love to thank you. I cannot wait for Cinco de Mayo in Bear 2 to see if they're gonna jack up the prices for the Cinco de Mayo skins or not. We gonna find out. Oh yeah, in Bear Alpha there's Cinco de Whitey that only Cheetah Man has at the moment, so yeah. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just go get it. I have 0 Robux. Oh no. I'm coming for you. I dialed the FBI. Ah! I have 0 bucks. Oh no. I got one trick. How? You need hammer if you have black tape. Oh, what black tape? Da-da-da! Join me, please. Da-da-da! Howdy, Buster. Buster Brown. Hey, good yo, boy. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, hey, hey. Blue. Hey. Hey now. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, hey, hey. Can't kill me, I'm the Gingerbread Man. And just Gingerbread can. Why don't you go and Gingerbread scurry along? Why don't you go over there? Let's just... Go and get this tape now. here, I dare ya. Come here, bud. You can't get up here. The line's too thin, and you're a bird, so you can't fly. Yeah, you don't have any wings, so you can't fly. The original bird has wings. Why doesn't the bird just drop the knife and fly? Come here, I dare you. You can't jump. You also can't jump on those, because you'll just get whacked. You're just gonna get clapped when that happens. Right time, leave people's band. Yeah. Die to get there. I have black tape pizza, but I put the thing there. White sparkles. Now what? Tape pizza. Black tape pizza. Black tape pizza. White sparkles. Now what? You need to break the left window. Watch him say, how do I do that? Or what? What is fine too. Hey, Bowsy. Good boy. Can you be a good boy for me? Oh, yeah. Doggy, where are you? We going to eat you right now. Working environment 1 was 0. It was not 0 votes. But I don't have a hammer. Well then, you might as well swim. Because that's just too bad. Why did it say that I was the brown coat with the orange hat? So not you. I am Donk. I'm Bibby Donk. Biddy Donk. Can we just call this Biddy Donk now? I really want to call it like a Biddy Bab or something. Just Biddy Donk. Biddy Donk is truly a better name than Baberdonk is fine. Yeah, just combine the chaos. It's like a double down but with words that shouldn't be combined. Those words being Biddy and Donk. Haha, you better stay. Bye. Oh, Donk. Thanks. Get away from me. Get away. Hey, get out of me! Banana, again! Banana, return of rotate. Oh, it's like your rubber duckula. I think he said rubber duckula. Yeah, I think he said rubber duckula. Radio, Chuck, have you seen me before? I think Doggy died, and no one else is going to be able to do it, so I might as well start committing murders while the time is right. Sorry guys, I'm afraid you're just going to need to die. I tried to not kill, but unfortunately I had to kill. In the end, this bacon has a lot of HP. He got bested by... I want Mal. It's not Malbird. It's not Malbird. Ah! Someone's gonna die tonight! Oh my god, are you gonna do working environment again? You wanna do working environment again? Because I swear to god I'm gonna die if we do working environment. Well, the tape is spooking! We're gonna do it a 5th time! Oh my god, I did. Oh wow. Did I just get infinite sprint? No, where am I? I am false, I know. Double trouble. Double trouble. Double trouble. Double trouble. Hi guys. Well, I need the tape. Please no kill. There. They didn't kill me. Wow. Is this a pause? Why can't I run? Yoink! Yoink! Just clear out the traps.
Shove it.
Just clear out the traps. Just clear them out. Yoink! Boink! Go get him, Scubus. Wherever you went. I'll miss you. No date for you. Oh, hey. How's it going? I'd like to talk about. Well, if you get all the other tapes, you can get Donk. Wow, that was a lot of things that you just said right there. I don't know if it's gonna get me kicked or banned. I don't know if it's gonna get me banned or if it's gonna get that guy banned. But someone's getting banned in this scenario. Oh my god, if I had a nickel for how many times we're gonna do this frigging thing. I can't just hurt my friends in this way. But I'm gonna act like I was just making that something straight. 0 votes! 0 votes, dude. No more tapes. Too bad. More tapes equals more murder. Hat is all I want, though. Well, you can go and hat off. No, seriously, go away. Man, doggy, I wish you had a private server, man. There you go. Yeah, keep him occupied for me, please. Boy.
Love it.
Yikes. That was a yikes amount of breaking things right there. I don't even know where I'm going anymore because puzzles 1, unfortunate's 5, time to do that final puzzle. Or they're just gonna camp it. Hey, wait! I was programmed to be scary. Yahoo! 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 You know, the thing in Piggy is, like, one thing that annoys me about Piggy is people are always making these videos where the infected talk, and I'm just here like, what? The infected can't talk. Zizzy confirmed that, and literally every single infected we've came across on our journey has told us that. Like, they can't talk. That's the point. If they talked, it would be less scary. But since they don't talk, we don't understand their motive for killing, and it makes them scarier. But I own 3 Piggy plushies in the background, so I am literally never going to be scared of them ever again. So yeah. We're talking about bug snacks. We're talking about bug snacks. We're talking about snacks. We're talking about snack bug. Kinda bug and they're kinda snack. You are what you eat. Get off me. Last place we're due, bro. I want that tape so bad. Well, buddy, I'm gonna have to go grab a private server for it. Because I can't keep doing the same map over and over. It gives me not fun memories of trying to do it in a private server. And let's just say that wasn't the most fun experiences I've had. That wasn't the most fun experience I've had in a while. It led to me experiencing rage laughing, and that's something I'm not proud of. Mio Honda, that doesn't make you go any faster. In fact, I think that makes you go slower. You're acting like a bouncing ball right now, being dribbled. Oh boy, oh boy. You know things have gone off the deep end when the man drill is actually starting to get close. He never used to get close this quickly. Maybe I'm just remembering him wrong, but he never got close so fast. I gotta go faster, man. The mandrill is picking up pace. Okay. As long as I don't get caught in anything, we're gonna be fine. It's something to get caught on! Hold it! Boy, that was bad. Did these guys all just survive? Yeah, no, and nobody lived. This is radical. I'm not feeling very radical right now. Mandrill Maze does not give me fun memories. Or maybe you need another black tape. Oh, well, Rillo, you asked, you receive. Did doggy leave? He did leave. So we can go and do the surface and lives. But I have black tea! Well then maybe you need some more! Like, wasn't that secret room that I found like somewhere in here or somewhere? Oh, it was in here. 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 Right. Oh my god! You have the audacity to shoot a hole into the surface of Mars! I wonder what that entails! Well, I guess we're gonna stay here for the rest of time. I got Tau. Read. Yeah, wouldn't it be funny if I went? Dude, the entire server is gonna end up staying in here, and it's gonna get crowded easily. I assure you. My bad. You want to keep watch? Alright, keep watch then. Oh no. Oh no! Anyway, I think we're gonna end up getting ran down by something bad. We're gonna die here sooner or later. It is all just a matter of time. Doggy's back. Doggy. Doggy, my poor fellow. Don't even open that. Well, you can open that door for a little bit of time, but after that, no more opening that door. You don't know the dangers that could be out there. I'm a grandpa. I know, kooky grandpa that tells you to get off his lawn or he's gonna pull out the shotgun. And it's gonna be real funny when the police come in to investigate the crime scene. They said he was killed with a toy gun, and he didn't even shoot you with it either. He just kind of smacked you on the head with it, and you just went out cold. Server, do you have a private server? Yeah. Yes, but I don't want to go to it. What do you mean, where? Just go out onto the surface of Mars. Just like I do. Oh boy. God, I thought he was a bird. Where Laser Chuck? I don't know. Where could Laser Chuck be? Oh. He's stuck in all this lag-inducing rubble. Glad you got it, but I think I'm witnessing something scary. I'm gonna go in. I'm going in. I'm living. I'm here. No one, dude, that has to be the best hiding spot, just under all that rubble once it appears. Just hiding out rubble. They're just like, you know, take a little mighty whitey. The mighty whitey? Oh, yeah, the mighty whitey. It's from Bear. It's not anything bad. Please don't kill us. We know what we're talking. We're all gonna do Mandrill Maze. Nope, we want to do Chaos Canyon, so we're gonna do Chaos. I'm gonna leave and go to Face Alpha. Nobody join me. What's Face Alpha? I'm scared of the idea of there being a game called Face Alpha. Bye bye. I don't like that very much. Cursed mummies. Just one more reason why you should bomb, lab, disintegration ray guns. Trademark. Don't visit the Great Pyramids without one. I feel like mummies shouldn't even be able to live. Like, mummies don't have organs in them. They don't have organs because it's all scooped out. They don't have a brain. They don't even have anything resembling something that the human body would need to use. If they moved one leg, that leg would break. If they even moved a joint the slightest, it probably would break apart entirely. Alright, so I think after this, I'm gonna go into a private server with my friend, and go get the thing. What's that ticking noise? Tick, 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 tick. Whoa! He's moving across the walls. No one can stop him. Oh my God! Oh Lord, he coming! The chonk shot. This boy is a fine. This boy is a. Nah, he's a chonker. He's a pretty. That's quite cool. Cool. I don't even know how to get it. Cool. This has been a very strange ending match. I just stared at a being known as Quack Quack, and after hearing a name such as Quack Quack, I now really don't want to find out why it's called Quack Quack. Bum, 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 bum. You see it? You still see him? We're gonna get a, well, yeah, you're getting a pretty good furry or fox gonna have flip on. Also, hashtag is in pit of called task complete. That badge. Well, I think I'm gonna go on for one more round, and I really hope that round is a boss. I swear to God, if we ended it on Mandrill Maze. Nope, I want to end it on Mandrill Maze. Oh God, we're gonna end this episode off with a bang and a mandrill. Alright, time to go into the monkey maze. Also, how come Donk doesn't have a description, but the motherfrickin' Laser Chuck does? Why does Laser Chuck have a description, but Donk doesn't? This ain't a Donk, this is a Donk. I'm not feeling very Donk. It's going too fast for my voice, man. It's actually starting to hurt my throat. I guess I can't sing any more of the run! Run! Just run! While being chased by a giant wall. And that wall happens to have the face of a mandrill, and it's probably sentient, and I don't like this anymore. You and me, the tree birds, I think we're gonna die. We're just gonna dread it, we're gonna run from it, but always have it in the back of our minds that destiny arrives all the same. Oh, that's really not the best thing to happen right now. Oh, but we all live. The tree ducks, Donk, and Wanna chirp.box. I just nearly called it Malbert. I certainly did get a lot of things that I didn't need from that. Hey, look, it's the 2 skins you get from the Pit of Spheres. Good old Wanna chirp.box and good old Baberdonk. Baberdonk is my favorite kind of donk, because it's babber. People haven't made it. Indeed. What? Come on now, everybody, don't take a second glance. Time to do the Baberdonk dance. Don't think about anything else. Don't think about those evil elves. You just gotta boogie, boogie, boogie. Put yourself in a trance and do the Baberdonk dance. The dog give a donk, donk Baberdonk dance.